Hey folks, how are you? Thanks so much for checking out this little video on Kacey Musgraves' version of Three Little Birds. This is an awesome starter song if you're just starting up with the guitar. It's got 3 or 4 chords in it, and it's really pretty. I think you're really going to enjoy this lesson. We have got a G major first. Now we're going to play with our second finger here on the 3rd fret, 1st finger, 3rd, just like that. Okay, so we've got G. You could use a pick. I'm using my thumb here to strike the bass. Bass, down, up, bass, down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4 is the count. So bass, down, up, bass, down. And then all you need to do is you're going to lift your 3rd finger and you're going to put your 1st finger here on F sharp. All right, I'm talking about relative to the capo. I've got a capo on the 3rd fret, by the way. Okay, so that is the intro. You switch between those 2 chords. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next up is the verse. This is how it's going to sound. Now that is 8 bars long and that happens twice. These are the chords. We've got a G major, bass, down, up, bass, down. And then we're going to hit a D major. And then back to G. C major. Back to G. D. C, G. Okay, so that happens twice. And then you get the chorus. This is how the chorus is going to sound. G major, G major 7. We had that in the intro. C major. Back to G. Now you see what I did here? I changed the way I played the G. There's no kind of one way of playing the fingers. It doesn't really matter which way around to do it, whichever is more comfortable for you. So G major, this is the chorus, a 4-bar round. G major 7, C major, cause every little thing, G. Okay, so that happens twice. Then you go from the end of the chorus and you repeat the 1st verse again, and then you repeat the chorus again. And then there's a bridge, and this is how the bridge goes. C, G. F again. D. Okay, so an F chord, you need your 1st finger across those 2 strings. There you go. If you want to play a slightly bigger F chord, slightly bigger, like a bar chord, or you can do that and put your thumb over the top. If this is just terrifying for you, play F major 7. Yeah? It's not quite the right chord, but it sounds okay in this key, right? What I said before about changing how you have the fingers. You could have your fingers like that, and then you see these 2 guys, they're just going to go here, right? So you got F, 2, 3, 4, 1, One more option I've got for you. There's a D there at the end of that bridge. You could leave your pinky on the high E string, and you'd have an F add 9. So that way you can have F, leave it there for the C, and then to the G, if you like. No wrong answers really. F, C, and then D major. Now, at the end of this, we go into another chorus, but at the beginning, she just strums on the beat. 4, don't worry, 2, 3, 4, about a thing, 2, 3, C, 4, band comes in. And this is exactly the same as the other one, the other verse, the other choruses rather. Bum, bum, about a thing. Okay, then we've got C, then to G. Then she does that bridge as an outro, basically F, G. That goes around a whole bunch of times, F, C, G, G. And then on the last time, F, C. She's just going to play on the 1 of the bar for the G. 1, 2, 3, 4, short bar, 1, 2, and then she comes in out on the intro, if you know what I mean. So from G major to G major 7. And that is the whole song. If you would like the chart, you can get it at patreon.com/Simon Rell. Thanks very much for watching this lesson. I'll see you later. All the best. Bye for now.